Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Cerave Moisturizing Lotion. I have oily sensitive skin and I use this for about a week. The quantity is good enough to try, which is great. By the way, I got this free with the biggest bottle of the face wash. So it's not exactly affordable on its own. I didn't get much discount, but yes, they did include some free samples and this lotion was one of them. I had bought that product from the nykaa application, and this product is available on many applications now, like on the myntra too. There was not much discount, but I got much free samples. This is non-sponsored video. The product is made in France. Packaging looks good. The product didn't cause redness or serious irritation, but unfortunately it clogged my pores around the nose and chin area, leading to whiteheads. Because of that, I won't be buying the full-sized product. That said, it's fragrance-free, gets absorbed well into the skin, and can be used on retinol days. If it doesn't clog your pores or cause whiteheads, you may continue using it, but since I have acne prone skin, it doesn't suit me. This was my review. Hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.